Good morning, y'all. I got started early. I got sick yesterday, so I'm way behind. So I just want to see what I wanted y'all to see what I had started, and then we're gonna process some jam. So this is what I have decanted out of the blueberries that I'm steaming. There's the first 12 pints of blueberries. I've got dishes already going crazy, and I've got another 12 pints here that we're gonna work with. That was the only jelly jars I could find, so I have a feeling Greg and I are going to the grocery store to go get some more. I have started pulling the whey off of my kefir cheese. You can see it's dripping. That's about a gallon of milk's worth of kefir. We got to make some iced tea. There's the sugar that's going in the peach juice to make peach jelly, and I've got iced tea steeping back there. So it's hot. Oh, pro hack. Look what I got. Yes, the air conditioner's running, but I went and bought one of these. It's at Walmart. I think it's like 20 bucks. And see how it says this side exhaust out? Well, I flipped it around because it's so hot in the kitchen. Instead of having, see, there's a vent right there. So instead of having this hot air come this way into the living room and back into the bedrooms, I'm sucking it out here, and it makes a world of difference, y'all. So here, behind the scenes look real quick. It's a hot mess, but this is what it looks like behind the shots that y'all see. So I'm just putting it out there. There it is. That's what we're doing. So I'll bring you back whenever I start working with the juice. This has to heat up. It's got the calcium water in it using Pomona's pectin. And then this is the sugar that we're going to put in with the actual pectin powder itself. So I'll bring you back when we got something fun to see. All right, we got some pots missing, y'all. So we put in 12 pints of blueberries in this juicer, and we're down to like that. That was full to the top. And it looks like we're probably going to get an entire gallon of juice out of this. I mean, it's still going strong, and there's still a lot of blueberries in there that haven't even broke apart yet. So my cheese is still dripping. This is the peach jelly. We did 2 batches. We're getting ready to wipe the rims and put the lids on. Greg is washing out a bunch of pint jars because I think what we've decided to do is with this box of blueberries, we're just gonna can them. And I think we're gonna can them in apple juice. So, and the dishes are piling up like mad. So we'll be back in just a minute so you can see how we jar up the blueberries. Greg's helping me wash dishes. Thank you. Now we got 9 jelly jars. So we are working with hot water. Fire's already on, so we have a hot canner. We've got hot jars and hot liquid. So we're gonna can these. I believe it's for 10 minutes, but I'm gonna double check in the Pomona's pectin book. This is the book that we use with our Pomona's pectin, and it did confirm that we're going to do 10 minutes. So I'm going to put the rings on finger tight, and as soon as this water comes back up to a boil, we're going to start timing for 10 minutes. We're ready. Other way, babe.
Why do I always...
I don't know. It's a thing. There you go. And grab up by the ring. Cool. All right, Greg's loading them up. Water's hot enough, so. Don't you think it turned out not? They're like.
They are pretty.
They're like, they look almost pearl.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's like iridescent. You think they'll fit? We had 9 of them.
Oh, they'll fit.
Okay. And then you got all of our jars washed for, we're gonna do blueberries next.
Yeah, buddy.
All right. That's not anywhere near boiling, is it?
No.
Okay. That's okay. They'll just be sitting in here waiting until it boils. We just gotta pay attention. And this thing is still going. This is nuts. Look at all this juice coming out of here. That's crazy.
Okay. Oh.
All right, we're gonna do blueberries now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna can these. We're probably gonna need more than pint. And we're just gonna fill these up. We're gonna can them with apple juice. Now, you're like, Chris, you didn't wash them. That's okay. We're gonna run water over them in the jar. Swish them around and do it that way. So we're gonna do this. It looks like we're probably gonna have to have one more jar if this fills up the way it is. So we got 12 pints, and this is what we're gonna do. Bring you back when they're full. What are you doing now?
I'm just kind of spinning the jar around, and then I tap it and let those berries fall into place where there's openings. And then I'll go back through and kind of try to see if there's any air pockets and let those berries fall into place so that you don't have openings.
And this is called debubbling. Like if you look in the books, this is the actual technical term, is called debubbling. And you can see the water has dropped significantly because of the air pockets. Cool. All right, so we're gonna do that to all the jars. Fun, fun. You can see Greg started with some of the ones filled with apple juice. You can see he's gonna have to add some. That's why we reserve some of that back, because some of those levels have dropped significantly. All right, timer went off. Oh, we already have success. Look how pretty. They're so pretty. I don't know if you can see the color. Let's see. Look at that peach color. It's just gorgeous. Oops, you fell over. Come on, come on. There we go. All right, oh man. They're rocking and rolling over there. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, I got one more. This camera work's terrible. I'll probably cut off. Ah! All right. There they are. They're so pretty. So pretty. Okay, now these are cold, so we got to dump all the water out of here, cool this canner down, fill it back up, and water bath these for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna have Greg help me do this because this is heavy. And then we can water bath the blueberries. So that's next. Y'all, blueberries are out. As you can see, we had a little seepage going on. We got purple water there and purple water there. So we had a couple of them that are boiling over. They don't look too bad. You see, that's probably one of them, and that's probably one of them. They look good. Canned up nice. So we'll see how many seal. All of these sealed. They're doing great. They got a long way to cool off though, so there we go. We got blueberries done, peach jelly done, and I've got that much juice off of those blueberries. So we will we'll get this done here shortly. Probably not today, but in a future video. Yeah, so thanks for hanging out with us today. Greg's outside planting lettuce, so we can keep going with our lettuce. We miss our lettuce. So he's planting new lettuce outside, and I'm gonna call it quits for the day because I'm tired and I wanna sit down. So thank y'all so much for hanging out with us today. Like and comment if you haven't already. Subscribe, it really helps the channel out. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all.